Welcome to Mind Mentor. In this video we will have a detailed overview of the human eye. The human eye is a complex organ responsible for vision. Its anatomy and physiology are intricately designed to capture and process visual information. Lacrimal secretions. Lacrimal secretions refer to tears produced by the lacrimal glands. Tears serve several functions, including maintaining eye moisture, protecting the eye from foreign particles, and aiding in vision clarity. Tunics of eyeball. The eyeball has three main layers or tunics. 1. Fibrous tunic. The outermost layer, consisting of the sclera, white of the eye, and the cornea, clear front portion. 2. Vascular tunic, uvea, the middle layer, composed of the choroid, ciliary body, and iris. 3. Nervous tunic, retina, the innermost layer, containing photoreceptor cells for vision. Anatomy of the human eye. 1. Cornea. The cornea is the transparent, dome-shaped outermost layer of the eye. It acts as a protective covering and helps in focusing light onto the retina. 2. Sclera. The sclera is the white, tough, and fibrous outer layer of the eye. It provides structural support and protection for the inner components of the eye. 3. Iris. The iris is the colored part of the eye located between the cornea and lens. It contains muscles that control the size of the pupil to regulate the amount of light entering the eye. The iris contains two sets of muscles. A. Dilator pupillae. These muscles dilate, enlarge, the pupil in response to low light conditions. B. Constrictor pupillae. These muscles constrict, shrink, the pupil in response to bright light. 4. Pupil. The pupil is the black circular opening in the center of the iris. It adjusts in size to control the amount of light that enters the eye. 5. Lens. The lens is a transparent, flexible structure located behind the iris. It helps in fine-tuning the focus of light onto the retina by changing its shape through ciliary muscle contraction, accommodation. 6. Ciliary body. The ciliary body surrounds the lens. It contains ciliary muscles that control the shape of the lens for accommodation. 7. Retina. The retina is the innermost layer of the eye, which lines the back of the eyeball. It contains specialized cells called photoreceptors, rods and cones, that convert light into electrical signals. 8. Optic nerve. The optic nerve is a bundle of nerve fibers that carries visual information from the retina to the brain. 9. Choroid. The choroid is a layer between the retina and the sclera. It contains blood vessels that nourish the retina and absorb excess light. 10. Aqueous and vitreous humors. The anterior chamber of the eye is filled with aqueous humor, a clear fluid that helps maintain the eye's shape and provides nutrients to the cornea and lens. The posterior chamber contains the vitreous humor, a gel-like substance that helps maintain the eye's shape and contributes to its optical properties. Physiology of the human eye. 1. Light refraction. Light entering the eye is refracted, bent, by the cornea and lens to focus on the retina. The cornea provides most of the refractive power, and the lens fine-tunes the focus. 2. Accommodation. Accommodation is the process by which the lens changes its shape to focus on objects at varying distances. Ciliary muscles contract, causing the lens to become thicker for close objects and thinner for distant objects. 3. Photoreception. The retina contains photoreceptor cells called rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low light conditions, night vision, while cones are responsible for color vision and sharp visual detail. 4. Signal processing. Photoreceptor cells convert light into electrical signals, which are then processed by other retinal cells, including bipolar cells and ganglion cells. 5. Transmission to the brain. The electrical signals from the retina are sent via the optic nerve to the brain's visual cortex for interpretation. 6. Pupillary reflex. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris, which adjusts in response to changes in lighting conditions. In bright light, the pupil constricts, and in dim light, it dilates to regulate the amount of light entering the eye. 7. Color vision. Cones in the retina are sensitive to different wavelengths of light, allowing us to perceive colors. There are 3 types of cones, each sensitive to red, green, or blue wavelengths, and they work together to provide full color vision. Understanding the anatomy and physiology of the human eye is essential for comprehending how it functions to capture and process visual information, enabling us to see the world around us. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel, Mind Mentor.